exciting video. Today I'm planning to make a little fancy appetizer, seafood appetizer. I'm making a avocado maple glazed salmon with chili infused aioli. It's gonna be very true final presentation. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. For the salmon appetizer, I'm gonna marinate the salmon. I have like 200 gram of salmon. I cut into squares. I'm gonna add some salt to it, some black pepper, and a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna marinate the salmon. And then I'm gonna sear it. So now I'm gonna sear off my salmon. So I put parchment paper. This is a trick actually. You put parchment paper or butter pepper in your pan, especially when you're doing a delicate meat, especially like seafood. So I put that; it will prevent them to stick to the bottom. So I'm gonna put some oil on the top. And then I'm gonna put my pieces of salmon one by one. So we're gonna sear them. So our salmon is cooked. It took me like 2 seconds, maybe about 5 to 6 seconds each side. So now I'm gonna glaze with the maple syrup and let it cool it down. So the fish is cooled down already right here, and now I'm going to start my presentation. So I have an avocado. I'm going to use half of it. I'm going to cut into middle. So I'm going to slice them, thinly slice. Spread it up. And make a little round kind of thing. Just like this. So I'm gonna season the avocado. I'm gonna put some pepper, some salt, a chop of olive oil, a little bit of lemon juice. Then I'm gonna pick it up from the bottom like this, and we are going into the plate in the center. So make sure it's in the center. So I have some balsamic glaze. I'm going to drizzle on the top of that. And the pieces of salmon I'm going to arrange just like this. Evenly. And I have chili infused aioli. So I'm gonna add dot of that, dot of that, count 4 dot. Little piece of red radish. Tiny piece of parsley. Give you a contrast color. And top of the avocado, I'm going to sprinkle some red and yellow pepper. And the final step, a little bit of seedling, micro seedling in the middle. Voila. So this is our fancy appetizer. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice, look beautiful. It's taking a little effort and imagination. Please do try this recipe and also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you like our videos, consider subscribe our channel, and I will be back very soon with another exciting video. Take care of yourself, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.